Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. On today's video, we're going to talk about, is it actually necessary to use non-sulfate shampoos? Now, it comes a time in everyone's life, no matter if it's shampoo or no matter if it's dealing with somebody that you don't think you need to deal with, or just any person, place, or thing in your life, you come to a point and you ask yourself, is it really worth the time or is it actually necessary? The reason why I'm talking about this today is because I am shampooing my hair today with a non-sulfate shampoo. This is my Dr. Miracle's Feel It Formula Conditioning Shampoo. It is now sulfate free and paraben free. I love this shampoo because it's tingly and it makes my hair feel nice and clean. But the thing is, I'm getting to the point where I don't really want to work a long time in my hair and it doesn't lather up as quickly as I would like it to, because it's non-sulfate. Now I believe it does have some sulfate in it, it's just not a lot of sulfate, because it still lathers, but it's not lathering that much. Now, I'm down to the last bit of this and I have it in my hair. I use a lot of heavy products too, so non-sulfate shampoo is not gonna cut through the grease like I need it to. Oops. I put a lot of heavy products in my hair, and having a non-sulfate shampoo at this time of my journey, sometimes it feels like, do I even think it's necessary to have? Because I'm wasting a lot of time doing my hair. I have a lot more hair now, it's longer, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on my hair like I used to when it was shorter and unhealthy. So I asked myself today, do I need to not use it, or how do I fit it in my hair regimen? So this is my original shampoo I used to use in the beginning that's non-sulfate. It's Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo, and it helps with dry and damaged hair. I was thinking to myself, do I need to stop using this too, or should I keep it? And the reason why I asked that is because this is what helped bring my hair to this point today. So why would I get rid of something that has helped me throughout my journey? So what I'll probably do is no longer use my Dr. Miracle's conditioning shampoo. I like the way it feels, it's nice and minty, but I don't feel like it's really necessary. And just keep my stuff that I've been normally using all these years, which is my Shea Moisture Moisture Retention Shampoo. So like I said, I don't even really know if it's actually necessary to even have a non-sulfate shampoo, but I like it in between washes. So I rotate between sulfate shampoo, non-sulfate shampoo, and co-washing. So let's talk about co-washing. I did a review on my coconut co-wash cleansing conditioner. I did a review on that. I really like it and stuff, but it's almost gone, and once I use it up, which I probably use that today because there's only a little bit left in my jar. Since my hair is not lathering up anyway, may as well just go and get rid of this. So what I'm doing now is trying to downsize my stash. I have too many products, and I don't need all that stuff no more. I'm just a product junkie and I just buy stuff. So I will keep my original hair product that I normally use for co-washing. This is by Hair One, and it's good for dry hair. And this is a not non-sulfate, but this is a co-wash, and this doesn't lather up at all. So why do I need two co-washes that don't really lather? I'm just gonna stick to the basics and keep it in my stash as my holy grail, as we call it. So is co-washing necessary to have? It depends on what you like in your hair regimen. I use co-washing because I like the way it balances out the moisture in my hair between washes and cold weather and stuff like that. Does it get my hair clean? No, I don't care about anybody thinking that co-washing gets your hair clean. It says that it cleanses, but it doesn't lather up, so I don't see how it really cleanses. To me, it's like putting lotion in your hair. But like I said, I use it as a balance to keep my hair from being so dry, okay? So, what do we do? I'll tell you what I'll do. Out with the new stuff, like these two this shampoo and this co-wash. And I'm going to stick to what I started with back in 2012. These products tend to work for my hair. This other new stuff is no longer needed. So if it's not lathering my hair up like I like it to. Now my Shea Moisture, this does lather. It lathers a little bit more quickly too, for my needs. I don't want to spend a lot of time on my hair no more. So yeah, guys, Is having a non-sulfate shampoo important to have in your hair regimen? You be the judge. It's your own preference of what you like to have in your hair, in your stash, and as your hair care regimen. But for me, right now, I don't need any extra stuff. But I don't want to just get rid of it either. So I'm just going to keep what I normally have and get rid of the new stuff that don't serve a purpose. Of course, I'll still try new products no matter what. But I had used all that shampoo, which was, there really wasn't that much left. I used all that, not shampoo, my, shampoo. My non-sulfate shampoo, and it just won't lather. I ain't got time to be sitting around messing with some hair that ain't gonna lather. I don't have time for all that. Look at all this hair. Talking about something ain't gonna lather. I need you to lather up. I don't have time. Can't get in the camera, but here we go. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think it's important to have a non-sulfate shampoo in your regimen, or do you feel like it's time in your not your career, in your life that some things are just not even actually necessary to have anymore? Okay, so that is it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.